Oh nice, one mop top hair shop. Nice indication, sausage! Why don't you just wait until your green man comes on? See these sausage pedestrians, man. Jesus Christ, first day back. Sausage already. Okay then, red lights doesn't apply to me. Oh. Sausage!
Many forest fans have been in touch this morning. This is where we want to show PRs and the notice now enough. After leading the race for so long, we're now not making the Champions League feel like failure for you guys not
What the fuck are you doing? Honest to God. What a sausage, man. They're out in force today. The indication he's slowing down when they're on green lights, wandering into the other lane. Christ almighty, man. It's fucking hilarious that, and I'll put a joke up, not one fucking comment. It's a proper clicky place, Carlisle. It's unreal.
I think it doesn't matter where you are and where you work. They're all like that. They're all like that. You know, and you can see who the clique is as well. It's so obvious. I can't be asked to be like that. I'd rather be honest.
Come on then, drop bags. Well, if you're not
I'd rather be who I am than have to lick arse like that there, like these do.
Well, fucking hell, thanks for the wave, you ugly trout. Another one fucking going on my page.
See, sounds like a stupid head.